Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules on your face. First, ensure your skin is perfectly clean. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away any makeup or impurities. Then pat your face completely dry with a soft, clean towel. Next, gather your simple tools. You'll need just one vitamin E capsule, a small, clean bowl, and a sterile pin or needle. This preparation ensures a hygienic and effective application. Now let's get that beneficial oil ready. Take one vitamin E capsule and hold it steady between your thumb and forefinger. With a sterile pin or a very fine needle, carefully puncture the soft gel casing. Once punctured, gently squeeze the capsule, allowing all of the rich, golden oil to flow into your clean bowl. This ensures you have the pure vitamin E ready for application. With the oil extracted, it's time for application. Dip a clean fingertip into the bowl and pick up a small amount of the vitamin E oil. Gently dot the oil onto various points of your face, then use soft, upward, circular motions to massage it into your skin for about 2 minutes. Pay special attention to any areas that feel particularly dry or show signs of fine lines. A little goes a long way. Using vitamin E oil regularly can offer wonderful benefits for your skin. It's known for its moisturizing properties, helping to hydrate dry skin and potentially reducing the appearance of fine lines over time. It can also contribute to a smoother, more supple skin texture. For optimal results, incorporate this into your routine 2 to 3 times per week, ideally as part of your nighttime skincare regimen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.